Let me start. Let me start the recording. Yeah. So, if let us say, uh, 1 second. Do you know the condition to check for even number or odd number? Any number that is divided by 2 is called as even number, right?
Yes.
So I can write if a if a percentile 2 equal to 0 means if a is divided by 0, then not questioned. If the remainder is 0, this modulus, this is called modulus operator. Let me explain you the meaning of that one. Then we can print console dot log even number. If I save it, what is the value of a? It's 5. Nothing printed because I didn't write a else condition. Nah. I didn't write here else condition. If this condition is false, what should happen? I didn't write. If this condition is true, what should happen? That only I have written. So let me change the value of a to 8. Then let me run it. Yes, it's an even number. So see, a small code, small condition, but it is doing a big help for us to check or to validate anything. Okay, I can write like this. I can check if a is greater than 2, and suppose if I have to check two condition, if a is even number, also a is greater than some particular value, like a is greater than 10. Let's check it. We have to write like this. Did you remember this condition? And in the formula fields, we have used this symbol. And means this condition should be true, that condition should be true. So I can write a greater than or equals to 10. Means a is even number and also, so and a is greater than 2. Sorry, greater than 10. I can write like this. No, the condition is false because a is greater than 2. Sorry, A is a even number, but it is not greater than 10 because a value is 8. Let us change it to 18. Then go back to the console. Yes, a is even number and also a is greater than 10. Are you getting my point now? Along with this along with this comparison operator, I have used one more operator, that is that is and. This operator is called as logical operator, which is and, comma, or. Okay. These two are main logical operators which are used to check if the both the conditions are true, or we can write like this, or if any condition is true, then enough. Any condition, either it's greater than 8 or it is less than, sorry, it is divided by 2. That's even number. See, a is even number or a is greater than 2. Any one condition may be true here. Even if I write 11, so this is not an even number. So still you get the answer because here, what happening is this condition is, this statement gets executed when you have any of this condition, either this condition or this condition is true, because we have used logical or operator. Okay, logical or operator. Is that okay? Any questions till now? No questions? Okay. Now let me ask you questions. Who is going to share the screen? Hmm. Harni or Harmit, can you share your screen?
Sure, sir.
Yeah. Let us write the code. Open your Visual Studio Code. Let me give you this code. Copy this code to that Visual Studio. Hmm. Okay. Did you execute this one? Is it getting executed?
Sir, I have executed.
Okay. Now copy which I have shared in the WhatsApp.
Okay. Done, sir.
Okay. 1 second. Hmm. So once again, once save it completely and execute it.
Array.
Any error?
Getting problem to save directly.
Mhm.
Okay.
I think you are getting error. Let me tell you. Just come down.
Maybe because of this bracket.
Okay. I think you copied only few part of the code. Go to the code
Okay.
completely.
That's okay, okay. Thank you.
Oh.
Sir.
Okay. Now, in that only, write a code to check if a number is a positive number or a negative number.
Okay. So I have to write if statement, na?
Yeah. After this
A.
31 line you write.
Okay, here.
Business, you see, if you are writing any JavaScript, that should be written in the script element only, between script to tags. 13 tag, after 13 tag only you have to write. Okay?
Mhm.
That is treated as a JavaScript in the HTML.
Mhm. So, if statement I have to write the if A is not equals to 0, then it is a positive number.
If
Ah.
A is not equals to not, if A is greater than 0.
Okay, A is greater than 0, then it is a positive number. Console I have to use.
Yes.
Okay. So shall I use A value is A is a positive number statement here?
Yes.
So is it okay?
If A greater than 0, okay, else A is negative number. So, okay, write it. Yeah, you can execute.
Why it is not?
Hmm?
The run option is not. It is not getting debug like run.
Okay. Go to your browser.
Yes.
Hmm.
From here.
Where are you checking?
Google Chrome only. Actually, here only I should refresh it.
Where you'll get it? No, you'll not get here. Go to the click on the three dots. Here, this is called web.
That one.
More tools.
More tools.
Then go to developer tools. Then click on the console on the top elements there, na? So A is a positive number. In place of A equals to some value there, na? You
Yes.
write minus something, -5, -2, like that. Okay.
From starting onwards, I have to do, or just I have to refresh it?
Which one?
Here, value. Google
No,
Chrome.
no need to refresh. Did you click the save? Control S you have to click. Control S.
Okay. Done.
Control S, if you have check it, you will get it. Okay.
But it is not coming.
Go back to your code. -11 you have written, na? Control S, did you save it?
Yes, I said. Then also it is showing positive.
Go back. -11 here you are getting 11 only. Why? No. Something missing. Go back. Yes. Remove 17. Sorry. -11 only, right?
Yes.
Right, -2. Save it. Now go. Refresh. Okay. Refresh. Control R. Yeah.
Now it came.
We didn't refresh till now.
A is a negative number.
Okay. You got it right?
Yes, sir.
So, one second. Let me share another code. You just try to understand what that is doing. In the WhatsApp, I have given. Copy that and paste it here.
Shall I run it?
Yeah. Where did you run it? Don't copy somewhere else.
No, new file I have I have
No.
created.
Don't create new file. After that, in that between the script only. I did
Okay.
the concept of new file now yet.
Okay.
File approach is correct, but that is different. That needs
Okay.
different way of creating the file.
So this one I have to continue there only. The last one
Yes,
we have
yes,
done. Okay.
yes. After
Okay.
One condition, you can write any number of conditions.
Okay. Yes.
Paste it there.
Pasted already and saved also.
Yeah, run it. So we can write upper limit and lower limit and check. Now go back to the example. See, if you go down to that example which I have shared. The script is having three operations. One is greater than or equal to, one is less than or equal to, one is logical operator, which is and. Means the number should be greater than some particular value and should be less than some particular value. So, if number is 25, the lower limit is 10 and the upper limit or upper bound is 50, then it is between these two things. So like this, we use this if and else conditions to check the values. Okay. Now, let me show you another example. Everyone, now let Priyanka share this. Priyanka, explain me what I have shared in the uh, WhatsApp. Okay. Okay. So, Harmeet, if you see here, this is something different. Not only one if and one else. Like there will be some conditions, right? For a student's grade, what you do? If score is above some 90, then grade A. Else, if again you want to check, just don't want to give one else. If 90, then A grade. If nothing, means if below 90, then B, C, D. Like that we can't give, no? So for each condition, you want to write if condition. So there is a else if condition. This is called else if ladder. Ladder means like a ladder, step by step. Okay. So if score is greater than or equals to 0, then 90. Then grade A. Again else, if you check, if you want to check, you can write again one condition. Like that, but it should end with finally one normal else condition. Okay? Normal else condition should be there for sure. Are you getting my point? So this is about else if ladder. Else if ladder. Now let me else if ladder. practice these two. Okay, practice these two because these are very important. Okay. Are you getting my point? Practice these two. These are very, very important if conditions. Without if condition, nothing is possible. Nothing is possible. Any questions till now? No. Okay. Okay. Let me share my screen now again. Let me share my screen. See, let us leave this everything. Let us leave this everything. I'm going to comment this. I'm just going to remove this one. Okay, remove this everything. Now I want to write some code here. What kind of code is? These are called as arrays. Arrays. This is commenting. Commenting means this line computer will not check. So arrays we are going to discuss. What are arrays? See, let a equals to 5. A single value I'm storing. A single value I'm storing. Okay. Or let name equal to Kalyan. A single value I'm storing. What if I want to store group of values or a set of numbers? If I want to store, how can I do that? Suppose let even numbers equal to, can I write 2 comma 4, sorry, not like this. 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 10, the first 5 even numbers. This is also data only, na? This is also data. This is also data. This is also data. This is called number, normal number, a single value. Okay. This is called string, a text, a string. This is called array, which is of numbers. Array of numbers. Array means group of numbers. So even you can write, let student names equal to Kalyan, then Harini, then Priya, then what is this one? This is also an array. Sorry. This is also an array, which is array of strings. Okay, array of strings. But generally, this is an array. This is an array. Array means set of numbers, sorry, group of numbers, group of some strings, group of some particular values. Okay. Okay. So this is what this is called as array. What this is called as? This is called as array. Okay. Now let us print this array. Let us print this array in the console. Okay. How to print this? We have to write like this. Console dot log print e numbers. So e numbers, if I write, then if you go to the console, one second, let me clear these things. If you go to this console, wait. Sorry, I was speaking on mute. So we removed the other things. Let me remove this also. Just we'll see only console.logs. So here we have four different types of data. One is number, one is string, one is array of numbers, one is array of strings. So let us print numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this is a array. Did you see this one? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is this one then? What is this one is? Computer, if I write array of 5 numbers in this way, computer will create a memory like this. Okay. Now it will give the name as e numbers. This complete memory location's name is e numbers, and each of this block is called memory block, where we have some code, some numeric value. This is address. We say this is address. At the first place, which is the 0th index, 0th address, 0th place, we have 2. In the first place, we have 4, then 6, then 8, then 10. This is called generally in a programming terminology for arrays, we call this as index. What we call this as index. Index at index 0, we have value 2. At index 2, we have value 6. At index 4, we have value 10. So this is what array concept is. Array is a memory where we can store the group of values in a consecutive locations. Means consecutive means side by side location, where each of this location will have same name, which is e numbers, but different index or address. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay. Any questions? No questions. Okay. So this is what array concept is. So array is like a memory where we can store group of values in a consecutive location. That means side by side locations. Each location will have same name which is given for the total array, which is e numbers in this case, and the value will be 0. I mean the index will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Any questions? Okay. So this is about arrays. We have much concepts inside these arrays we have to discuss. So if we have to discuss, then you have to practice first. Please practice again. We'll discuss these things once again in the tomorrow's class. Okay, please do practice. And a small request from your side is make your location free so that you can speak. Okay, you can speak. If you can't speak, if you just type, so that's very difficult for me to interact with you. Okay. At least this 1 hour, if you speak, then that will be very easy for me. Priyanka, Harni, Sirisha. Okay. Make your location free. I'm not taking your 24 hours of time, just 1.5 hour or 1 hour. Sometimes max in the weekends we get up to 2.5 hour or 2 hours. So at least in that time you make yourself free. It will be very easy for you to ask your questions and quickly respond. I should keep asking, is that okay? Is that okay? No questions again and again. So make sure you get your free environment. Okay. Tomorrow also we have the class at the same time. And day after tomorrow also we have the class at the same time. And practice a lot, practice a lot. My voice is not clear. Is it same for everyone?
No, sir, your voice is clear.
Okay. Priyanka, I think the
And
problem from your side. So please check it and make sure you have a good internet tomorrow. Okay. I will be asking you to share the screen tomorrow.
it's not clear.
Still not clear.
Total disturbance.
No, no, that is not
There
from
is total
your voice is also not clear to me.
disturbance. We cannot hear your voice.
We are you. Is it same for everyone, Harni?
No, sir.
Okay. Priyank, I think this issue is from your end. Please fix your internet and check your laptop speaker and mic. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. We'll meet tomorrow. Please be prepared with whatever the topics we have covered with this JavaScript till today. Tomorrow we are going to start somewhat advanced topic. If you don't know this one, you will not be able to understand tomorrow's class for sure. Okay. We start looping, loops and functions. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.